Hello everyone! In this video, I'll show you how to transfer GGives to CIMB Bank. First, make sure you have the latest version of the CIMB Bank app installed on your phone. Open the CIMB Bank app and tap on GSave or GGives. Choose the account you want to link, then select the second option when prompted. Enter the same mobile number and email address that are registered to your GCash account. Be sure they match exactly for the link to succeed. Set up your username, password, and MPIN for secure logins and to verify future transactions. And that's it. That's how to transfer GGives to CIMB Bank. Thanks for watching. If this video helped you, please like and subscribe for more helpful tutorials.